Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe and low carb recipes with Ron. Today we're going to make a family favorite of mine. It's Polish Kielbasa, and I absolutely love this brand. It's a KM brand, a small batch, I guess, whatever I've said on the box, on the package. And that's the macros on the back. This is, I would consider a dirty, lazy keto meal. So what I usually do is when I have to remove it from the package, I wipe out my meat, dry a little bit, and then I ended up taking a knife and I ended up cutting it up in little bite-sized chunks. I was slicing it up and popped it into the air fryer and had it with some French's mustard and the yellow mustard. But over here, I'm just trying to get a good camera angle, and I got a sharp knife over here from a stainless steel set we bought from my wife bought me for Christmas last year. It's important that whenever you're cooking with anything that you have a sharp knife and the proper tools to work with in the kitchen. But yeah, this came out really good. Just letting everybody know I had a really good weight loss week this past week, even though we had one day we had on carby day, but it's a process. The weight is a process in weight loss, and I keep encouraging you guys not to give up and just take one day at a time and 1 pound at a time, and I promise you the weight will come off. So let's just keep going with the video, and when I come up to the final result, we'll talk about it. Okay, so we're back. So now that we get the meat all prepped up and put it into the preheated air fryer, now I happen to have an air fryer setting with gives me a preheat setting at 170 for 5 minutes, and I got that going, and I popped that baby for 400 degrees for 11 minutes, and then I checked them at the halfway point, and this is at the 2-minute mark, and they pull them out, and you see they are done. And we're gonna go ahead and plate it, and come back, and we're gonna talk about it, and that's the what they look like, nice and dark color on them, just the way I like it. And of course these came out really, really good. Again, this is not a true keto meal, but it's perfectly fine if you're doing carnivore, keto, even I guess Weight Watchers. But that's all I had that day today. It was just that, the mustard, and then my coffee. Oh yeah, and in the morning I have eggs and sausage in the morning, and I'll show you how I do those another day, exactly how I found a really good way of making eggs, and that I really love, that I wouldn't really get sick of it. And of course I have got to have sausage or bacon or something with the eggs, but I'm trying to keep everything low carb, and my carbs down to practically zero, and so far we're having a good week, and having a good month, and I did a lot of walking already for this month, and it's only just begun. So, but we got 3.5 weeks ago. We're going to keep on pressing on to the get rid of some of this weight. Look at that nice color on that. Doesn't that look good? Then over here, I'm just taking the French's mustard and put it over the top. That's a fine keto condiment that you can use, and I'm sure they must make a low carb, sugar-free version of it. But I mean, it is what it is. This is only what I had on hand. I'm not a fan of Dijon mustard, but I mean, I do use it every now and then because it's kind of a little bit of spicy for me, because I'm trying to lay off a lot of spicy foods because of my GERD. But anyways, this is the final product. Hope you enjoyed the short video, and have an amazing day, and stay safe, stay healthy, and see you on the next video, and have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.